My name is Siri. I guess you know me. This video will explain how you can easily set up the DreamMe application. I am here to speak on the behalf of Yvonne, as she is currently working on DreamMe. Relax and enjoy. Smiley. The application will be available on both iOS and Android, and will allow you to decide which information DreamMe hardware projected to your ceiling. From the home screen, go to Setup. Under Settings, there are 5 options: General Settings, Social Media, Display Brightness, Category Change Speed, Other Settings. Let's start with General Settings. Time. From these options, you select whether you would like the time to be projected with DreamMe. Time setting option. Priority display on off means that if it is on, the time displays always after the next information. The next information, local time, displays the local time where you currently are. Additional time zone basically allows you to add as many other time zones as you like to be projected with DreamMe. Just press the plus sign, search for a city, select, and it will show up as an additional time zone. You have the option to have this projected with DreamMe or not. Returning to the settings screen, alarm. At this setting, enables you to set an alarm. Just press the plus sign and the time is easily set. You also have a repeat option. You can change the label of the alarm, which will be projected by DreamMe. You can choose several alarm sounds, as well as a snooze option. To return to your alarm settings or delete an alarm, simply press for a few seconds at the series. Going back, you see your alarms. Deleting alarm, just press longer at the series. Returning to the settings screen, weather. With this option, you can choose to view the weather information displayed with DreamMe. Weather settings. You can easily switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Local weather displays the local time as well, where you currently are. Additional cities. This option allows you to add many weather zones as you like, which will be projected with DreamMe. Simple press the plus sign, search for a city, and it will show up as an additional weather zone. You can decide if this should be projected with DreamMe or not. Returning to the settings screen, custom text. With this option, you can determine the custom text you like to see and project it with DreamMe. Just press the plus sign, input the individual text, and it will show up. You can select if this should project it with DreamMe or not. Going back to the settings screen, sheep counting. At this setting, you define if you like to count sheeps or not. Be careful with this setting. If you enable, you will soon fall into sleep. Wink. Returning to the settings screen, auto on off. With this option, you define when the app is on standby mode. Standby mode. Returning to the settings screen, email. This option allows you to determine whether DreamMe should project you unread emails. Currently on IMAP is available. Returning to the settings screen, Twitter. With this option, you can decide whether DreamMe should project new tweets. Returning to the settings screen, display brightness. With this option, you define how bright the display will be at the projection. Depending on the lighting in your room, you can set display brightness accordingly. Category change speed. Each information projected with DreamMe has one time slot. Herewith you can define how long each information should be displayed. Larger text. In some cases, it makes sense to enlarge the projected characters. Herewith you can enlarge, mirror text. For using DreamMe hardware, you have to mirror the displayed information. If you would like to read the information directly, you can switch the setting here. As the app is not 100% finished yet, some features could vary with the final version. Now returning to the home screen. If you are in home screen, after 10 seconds or by pressing the home screen button, the app will start working, and you can put the DreamMe hardware onto your smartphone or tablet display. Have fun. Hope you like it, and fund me at Kickstarter. Kind regards, Siri. On behalf of Yvonne Smiley Smiley Smiley.